Hello everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. Today we will share with you the types of fish sold at Mega Market. You might not find some of them selling in England.
I'm going to show you a new kind of meat.
Do you know what type of meat my husband wants to introduce to you? We will show you later in the video. Here is the giant pasta fish. This fresh pasta fish is very big. These are often used to make meals such as sweet and sour fish soup, fried fish, grilled fish, or stewed in fish sauce. It is very delicious. This is a stingray that is shown in ocean exploring films. The bones of this fish has soft cartilage. It is popular to make a lemongrass curry fish meal with coconut milk, or to make into a fish stir fry with lemongrass curry. This curry is called cam in Vietnamese. The way to cook this fish is the same as the pasta fish, but it is not as fatty as pasta fish. Its flesh tastes firmer, so it can be steamed with some additional ingredients. Next is the giant squid. Honestly, I don't like this one. I like small ones because the big squid is very tough and chewy, and in my view, it does not taste as good as small ones. My husband has a sense of humor. He is amused by the fish and reacts to them. We have just gone through the giant fish area. Now this area is to present fish that weigh from half a kilogram to around 3 kilograms. This display is to present the kinds of the small fish under half a kilogram. If you don't like to buy whole fish, you can buy small portions here, or tiny fish, or fish fillets. My husband is showing you pasta fish stomach that was removed and toxic parts thrown away. The tiny fish intestines are also removed and shown here. This kind of fish only appears when the tide of the Mekong River rising in the south between September and November during the lunar calendar. This squid is the right size to make a topping for hot pot, sweet and sour fried squid with vegetables or grilled squid with sauté. My husband does not like squid. Here, there is frog meat. This is still strange to some of you living in Europe. The dishes are made from frog meat and served in the famous restaurants in Vietnam are considered as a delicacy to impress locals and foreign tourists. You can buy living seafood here. This staff is picking out the dead and weak prawns here. These living big prawns are sold at the price of about £7.15 per kilo. 1 pound is converted to around 32,000 Vietnam dollars. After you choose the fish you like, you can take it to the center area and put it on the table, then continue your shopping. If you like a living fish, the staff will help you. The staff will scrape off the scales, remove the fish intestines, fins and tails. The fish is presented well when you come back to pick it up. These are small prawns. Here are sea eels. This area is to display and sell frozen seafood. I will show you jellyfish. They have been processed to make salads. Here, there is also snails, living clams, crabs, and lobsters. All of them are still alive. This is crocodile meat. I gave you a question at the beginning. Would you like to buy and make meal from crocodile meat? Please put your thoughts about this video and comment below. If you like this video, please give it a like, a subscribe, and you will not miss our videos in the future. Thank you for watching. See you next time.